I opened a newspaper while drinking my morning coffee and was shocked. I was reading my own obituary. The headline read, "The Merchant of Death is dead. My invention, dynamite, pierced mountains but took thousands of lives in wars. I even lost my brother in an explosion in my laboratory." That day I realized the world would remember me as a monster. To erase this shame, I dedicated 94% of my fortune to science and peace. Today, the world's most prestigious award bears my name. I am Alfred Nobel.